G'day guys, welcome to GJBricks. Now today I'm going to do a remake of an old video. This one was based on the Hogwarts Express Motorisation I did a while ago. And I had a bit of feedback from people around the video was too quick, it wasn't clear enough, and I realised I'd actually not made one thing clear in it. So I'm going to redo this video and I'm going to do it as a frame by frame process, which means you can pause it and each frame is a photo, so it'll be clear enough you can see exactly what changed from shot to shot. I'm not going to do it like Lego and highlight everything in red because that will take me far too long to do. But you'll be able to see because I'll only do one piece at a time. Interestingly, I've done this in reverse, so I've filmed it from built back to nothing. So because it's just easier that way because I've already got it built. Here, see? Now, one other thing I want to make clear, two other things I want to make clear. First of all, if you're going to be running this on a track that has junctions, then this piece here, in between the two trains, you need to change that from a 3-pin, which is what comes with the set, to a 4-pin. If you don't change it to a 4-pin, it will derail on those junctions. It's an unfortunate thing, but the way the thing is designed, there isn't enough bend in it to actually go round the junction. That's the first thing. Now, one of my biggest boo-boos in my original video, and I will put my hands up here and say I'm sorry, I said I used 60197 train as the donor set. Now, I didn't say exactly what I used for it. Now, in the parts list down below, there's two. There's one that is just the parts to actually do it, assuming you have the donor set. Most people probably don't want that. There's a second list, which has everything, bells and whistles. So I'd go with that list because that includes the battery box, the motor, the trim on the edges here, everything like that. I didn't include it in the original one, which was my bad. So I apologise for that one, I didn't make that clear enough. So those are the things I wanted to address in this video. I really hope that this helps you because it is a fabulous set. It looks great going around your city. I've done many things to it. My Hogwarts Express isn't actually standard anymore. I've modified this a lot. This is longer and things like that. I've got another video I'll link up in the corner now, which is my modified one of these because I've done all the carriages and everything that go with it too. Fabulous set, make any Lego fan happy, any Harry Potter fan happy, any train fan happy. So I'm going to do this now, so we'll go through it step by step, and you can step through the shots from the bit where the video starts. You can go, I'll give each frame up for 2 to 3 seconds, and then you can just step forward, step forward, step forward, step forward to do it. Okay, so it should be a lot easier and a lot clearer for you to follow. Now, I hope you found that really useful. I hope you could follow through those steps, and I hope that was a much clearer video than the original one I did. Again, that was one of my earlier tutorial videos, and I apologize, I was new to doing it. And anyway, I'm going to stop saying sorry now, because you learn. I made a mistake, I've owned up to it, I fixed it, and I will try not to do it again going forward. Anyway, if you're new here, hit subscribe. I do post a lot, and I do things like this periodically that people find useful, I hope. If you've got any comments on this, please put them down below. Way better than the old video, that kind of thing. Good to know. If I did anything wrong again, please let me know. As I said, it takes a long time to do these videos, and you know, to go to the level of, say, Lego of building an instruction manual takes days and days and days and days of work. I just don't have that time, I'm afraid, so I have to do it in video form. So hopefully this is it. Anyway, make sure you give this video a like, hit the subscribe button, turn the bell on, do everything, because you want to follow my channel. Anyway, thank you for watching, and I've got a couple more videos I think you will enjoy, including my one about how I've improved the Hogwarts Express and the carriages that go with it. I'll see you again very soon.